आम् महोदय क्रियता
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिसूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्।
धन्यवादः महोदय just one thing that I observed अत्र विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि, just note that, and here also Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Mastu. That's exactly what I have highlighted here. It should be pronounced.
Param Brahma, I read it without
Chinta nasti. Okay, so just make a note of it. Okay, धन्यवादाः. We'll just start the class. Om Sahana Bhavato Sahana Bhunakto Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvina Vadhitamastu Mahavidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaste Samskrita Mataram. Sarvebhyah Suswagatam. अद्यतन कक्षायाम अद्य एकादशी वैशाख एकादशी शुद्ध एकादशी अस्ति। अस्तु, इदानीं शंकाः प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? प्रश्नाः शंकाः सन्ति चेत् कृपया पृच्छन्तु। Please ask any questions, any doubts that you have. We can start from there for now.
Namaskar, Mahoday.
Namaste, Namaste, Naresh Mahodaya.
Where can we find the registration number?
Where can you find the registration number? The registration number will be there in the, if you go to the groups and tap on the top, there's a group's description. In the group's description, you'll find there's a link to the registration number. Yeah. Any other questions that you have regarding the class itself? Okay. Then we will just go to do a Astu. Okay, एकवारं पुनस्मरणं कृत्वा अग्रे गमिष्यामः। अक्षराणि पठितवन्तः, अक्षराणि मुख्य उच्चारणस्थानानि संज्ञापदानि इदानीं कर्तुं शक्यते. We were able to do a few of them. We will do more of these. We saw linga, vachana. We also saw sarvanama padani in some detail in the last class. Any questions on these, or any questions on the homework that you had?
Mahodaya, this is Anjani here.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the 3 assignments has been done, but they have given assignment 4. In the assignment 4, I am not able to understand what they're asking us to do.
I think there is a This one, what is that? If I'm not mistaken, in assignment 4, there are two things. There are those
Yes.
books. That
It's
is a
Abhyasah ek Prushta Sankhya. What is Prushta Sankhya?
Prishta Sankhya is page number.
Oh, okay. Then got it. Because I was trying to figure out. So if they say Abhyasa Ekah, that one, the entire exercise one we have to complete, is it? Because it's got a.
That exercise on that page number. Yeah, initially I think we should do that. We should put the English this one also. I'll tell the homework creators. I think there is some.
I thought Prushta Sankhya means I need to do only 8 things. I thought so. I didn't know it was page
So
number.
page number, on that page number, whatever is there in that book, I think it's got to do with a little bit of Asia, Saha, and all that. No. Rajini Madhav, we lost you for a minute.
Yeah. My internet is unstable.
That's okay. But I said you need to just do the questions in that on those two pages.
Okay, got it. Actually, they have given the link to download that Prathama Diksha
Correct. Correct.
Vyavahara, but only that has got that page number on that corresponds to what they have written. In the books that we have got, the page number doesn't correspond what they're asking us to do.
Oh, is it?
But
You show which book are you referring to?
it's Vakya Vistaraha. Prathama Diksha.
That is the Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan book, right?
Yes.
You should have, I think it matches. Let me check that.
Yeah, because the hard book, the page number do not match.
Yes, the hardbound books. Can you show the hardbound books? Do you have it readily with you?
Yes.
Yeah, that is the same book. It is not the hardbound book. No, it's not the hardbound copy.
Yeah,
It
but
is,
sir, if you see the page number here for the exercise, it says as page number 3. So but in the PDF, because it will count even this page, it will count this page.
Okay, I'll ask them
All
to
of
change that. Correct. Page number 3 and page number. So you can check in that what page number that see below that there will be a page number. I think page number 3 will correspond to your page number 15, as in you need to subtract those 15 from that page number there and then get it here.
So that's why there's a mismatch in the page numbers.
Fair enough. I'll get them to correct that on the this one. Okay. Astu, Dhanyawadaha. That's a good suggestion and feedback. Initially, we'll put it out in English also, and along with it, the page number of the hard copy as well as this one has to be. Okay. Anything else?
Yeah.
That's all. Otherwise, you are able to match the page number there and your hard copy page number, no?
Yeah, because anyway, we did this exercise last week. So they will definitely ask the homework for that week. So that's how I kind of corresponded it.
Okay. Fair enough. All right. Fair enough. We'll rectify this. This you can even ask in the Abhyasa Varga if you had any this one. This can also be asked. Okay.
Okay.
Josta Mahoday Uchitam, I think you have a question.
Namaste, Mahoday. In the assignment, they've asked us to write the Gunitaksharani for K, Ch, T, T, P. Do we have to write the Gunitaksharani for all the Kavarga or only the K?
Only Ka.
Oh.
That is the first letter of all this one if you write it.
Dhanyawad.
So that is Ka, Cha, Ta, Ta, Pa. Yeah. Any other questions?
Mahodaya, one more question. They've asked us to write 5 sentences using Saha, Eshaha. That one we have to just write Saha, Balakaha, or you are expecting a sentence over there?
Yeah, that's pretty much what is expected. Saha Balakaha. We have not yet done Saha Balakasya Tasya Putri Satasya this one, and we have not yet done, so it is okay. You can write 2-word sentences are very much acceptable. If you just write Saha Vrikshaha Asti, that will get you some extra credit also for it. You can add an Asti to it, that will give you some extra credit also. That's important. We don't expect something very, very strong. So don't worry about it. As long as you understand the concept of Saha and Yesha, Yeshaha Saha, we are good. Okay. Any other questions?
Mahodaya, can you please explain this first one again? Do Abhyasaha 1, Prushta Sankhya 4. That means from 1 to 4, is it?
No. Prishta Sankhya is page number.
Okay.
Go to that particular page number. And in that page number, whatever is the Abhyasa given, please do that.
Okay.
Astu, Shrirup Mahodaya kila?
Ha, Mahodaya.
Astu. Two pages have been given for homework, basically. Plus, there is some more on writing your own 5 sentences on Saha and Yesha and this one. Okay? As we will see a little more of Saha, Yeshaha and everything today. With this, I hope all questions are cleared. Any other questions? Astu. Prashnaha na santi chet agre gamishyamah. Adya kechana sambhashanam api pashyamah. Tadanantaram Sarvanamapadani Drishtva, we'll see some this one as to what they are and things. Okay. So, okay, one very important thing. Last time I saw that there were some spelling mistakes here. Typos were there. So like Swagatam, Sutswagatam, Ga was missing, and similarly there was something else. It should be Gantavyam, not Gantavayam. It was Gantavayam was what was mentioned. It should be Gantavyam. Okay, and here Asanam Swikarotu, not Asam Swikarotu. Some mistakes were there. I have corrected them in this slide. Please make sure you use this slide for anything going forward. This slide will be uploaded today. Okay. So just wanted, and I think Shobha Mahodaya from the other class actually clarified and corrected this. So thanks to her. Thanks to Ma Shobha Mahodaya. Astu. Okay. Who wants to start the conversation today? Ranjani and Srirup Mahodaya.
Astu Mahodaya.
Uchitam.
Pruchatu Ranjini Mahodaya. Mahodaya.
Prashna pruchatu, yatkimapi pruchatu bho.
Namaste Shri BK Mahodaya.
Namaste.
So, how should I ask him? How was the assignments?
Graha karyam katam asit. गृहकार्यं कथम् आसीत्?
का कार्यं कसमाति?
गृहकार्यम् उत्तमम् अस्ति.
उत्तमम् आसीत् वा, सरलम् आसीत् वा, क्लिष्टकरम् आसीत् वा?
शुभाशय.
Mahoday, how do you say a little bit?
किञ्चित्.
किञ्चित् सरलम् आसीत्.
किञ्चित् सरलम् आसीत् वा, किञ्चित् क्लिष्टकरम् आसीत् वा?
किञ्चित् क्लिष्टकरम्.
किञ्चित् क्लिष्टकरम्, अन्यथा सरलमेव.
अन्यथा सरलमेव.
Then how do I ask him, are you studying every day Sanskrit?
What is every day?
Pratidinam.
Pratidina.
Pratidinam. Dinam.
Correct. Pratidinam Sanskritam padati.
Patativa.
Patativa. Mahodaya.
न महोदय, समयं
न लभ्यते.
समयं न लभ्यते.
कदा पठिष्यते?
गृहकार्यं गृहकार्यं करने
समये
गृहकार्य doing, what do you tell for doing? कर्मणि.
करिष्यामि, करोमि.
गृहकार्य समये करोमि.
गृहकार्यं समये पठामि.
गृहकार्यं समये पठामि.
अस्तु अस्तु.
उचितम्.
उचितम्.
भवती
ask her again what she does.
भवती कः क्रियते?
भवती कदा क्रियते?
भवती कदा क्रियते?
भवती कदा?
Kada means what is it?
When.
Kada is when.
Okay, when I will study.
गृहकार्यं. When I will study.
So, what do you? How do you say for evening?
सायंकाले.
मम सायंकाले संस्कृत एक घण्टः.
एक घंटा.
एक घण्टः.
घंटा न घंटाः न घंटा.
एक घंटा पठति.
पठामि.
पठामि.
प्रतिदिनं वा एकघण्टं?
How do you say no? Ani.
No.
Alternate days.
Alternate days. अस्तु. सप्ताहे 3 दिनानि.
सप्ताहे 3 दिनानि पठामि.
उत्तमम्.
Mahodaya, what is the word for housewife? गृहिणी. गृहिणी. भवती गृहिणी वा?
आम्.
उत्तमं महोदय. भवती समयं कथं कुर्वन्ति?
What do you say for cooking and
pachami?
Pachami and helping the kids in their studies.
Is pakam not
pachami. Pakam pachami.
Pakam pachami and
Who was that? Who gave that answer? Very good.
Aparna.
Aparna Mahodaya. Bhavati api agabhyata. We'll add you to the start your video and join the conversation. You are the next.
Pakam pachami or what do you say, kids? Putre for two, how do you say? Now it's a good word to
Chinta nasti. Putrebhyah paఠadam karishyati. Pathayati.
Putrena patha.
Putrebhyah
patham
pathayami.
Pathayami. Putrebhyah patham yami.
अथवा पुत्राः कृते पाठयामि. Agre, next two classes we'll see how to use them, how to make very simple sentences.
Oh.
Putraः कृते पाठयामि.
Putra krute pathayami.
पुत्र अथवा पुत्राणां कृते पाठयामि. पुत्रस्य कृते पाठयामि.
Okay. Astu Mahoday.
अस्तु. धन्यवादः. Aparna Mahodaya आगतवती. Aparna Mahodaya, do you want to ask them both anything or do you want to ask somebody else any question?
No questions, Mahoday.
No question for anyone. Then you will have to speak something for yourself then.
I'm not equipped to ask questions yet.
चिंता नास्ति. ज्योत्स्ना महोदय भवान् भवत्याः चलचित्रं अस्ति. I'll add you to spotlight. Jyotsna Mahadaya, Vikram Mahadaya. What happened to this? We'll do this down the line. Yeah. Vikram Mahadaya asti va? Agapyata. So, yeah. पृष्ट्वा उत्तरं दास्यन्ति वा भवन्तः?
नमस्ते महोदय. नमस्ते महोदय.
भवान् कुत्र वसति महोदय?
अहं मल्लेश्वरे वसामि महोदय.
बेङ्गलूरुनगरे मल्लेश्वरं.
बेङ्गलूरुनगरे मल्लेश्वरं वसामि.
भवान् कुत्र कार्यं करोति?
अहं सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी कार्यं करिष्यामि. भवती कुत्र वसति?
अहमपि बेङ्गलूरुनगरे एव वसामि महोदय. बेङ्गलूरुनगरे विजयनगरक्षेत्रे वसामि.
आम्.
अहं गृहिणी अस्मि.
आम् महोदय, उत्तमम्.
सायंकाले भवान् किं खादितवान्?
अहं सायंकाले ऑफिस कार्यं करिष्यामः.
किं खादितवान्?
10. What do you say? 10. I'm sorry.
What did you eat? What did you eat in the evening?
How do you say nothing?
किमपि न खादितवान्.
Sorry.
किमपि न खादितवान्.
किमपि न खादितवान्.
अस्तु.
किमर्थं बुभुक्षं नासीत् वा?
बुभुक्षा नास्ति वा महोदय?
नास्ति नास्ति. अहं मीटिंग करिष्यामि.
ओ मीटिंग करिष्यति. डायटिंग न करिष्यति किल?
महोदय अपि गृहकार्यं कर्तुं वा?
What do you want to ask, Mahoday?
If he is working from home.
Oh,
गृहस्य आं महोदय, आं महोदय,
गृहेण कार्यं करिष्यति वा?
अहं गृहेण कार्यं करिष्यामि और
करोमि
करोमि इदानीं करोमि सम्यक् करोमि एव
सम्यक् अस्ति। ओके,
भवान् किमपि प्रष्टुम् इच्छति वा? I don't have any more questions.
भवती गृहिणी?
अहं गृहिणी एव अस्मि।
How do you say that you have kids? What are they studying? भवत्याः
शिशवः सन्ति वा?
मम एकः पुत्रः अस्ति, सः इदानीं द्वितीयकक्षायां पठति।
उत्तमम्।
He studies in second standard.
उत्तमम्।
भवती संस्कृतं उत्तमं वदति।
धन्यवादः महोदय। I've been studying for the last 2 years, but because of the vocabulary, I was not able to speak. So I've taken a break of all the exams so that I can increase and improve my vocabulary. That is the reason I've joined the Sasyam course.
Uttamam. On that note, I think we should start doing that work. We'll just move to the vocabulary part right away. Good point.
धन्यवादः.
So, for now, we saw in the last class these Strilinga, we saw Eshaha, Saha, Yete, Te, Kaha, Ke, and then we also saw Esha, Sa, Yetaha, Taha, Ka, Kaha. As Strilinga, ye tat tat, ye tani tani. Any questions in this much? Anybody who has doubts in this? Okay, in which case we'll do the prayoga of all this stuff. Okay. Now, everything to the left of this, we will take this as the center, this as this one. Everything to the left, we will take them as nearby things. Anything that is to the right of this Ashwa, this one, right, we'll take far off. Okay. Now everyone is going to speak. What do they see? Okay, we'll start with Jyotsna Mahoday. Uchita.
Malaha.
No, you'll have to say.
Mala is Strilinga. Esha Mala, Etaha Malaha.
Etaha Malaha. Uttamam. Etaha Malaha. Vikram Mahodaya. Bhavan Uchita. This one. I forgot to animate this, otherwise it would have been better. Next, I think.
Eshaha Ashwaha. Ashwaha. Ashwaha.
Ashwaha va.
Eshaha Ashwaha.
Na. Yeshaha kaha. If it is Yeshaha, look at this. If it is Yeshaha, then
Yete.
Yete.
Yete Ashwaha.
Yete Ashwaha. Uttamam. Yete Ashwaha. This one.
Eshaha Paryankaha.
Paryankaha. Uttamam. Athva, if I were to say this is a room.
Eshaha Koshtaha.
Prakoshtah.
Prakostah.
Prakoshtah. Uttamam. Jyotsna Mahodaya. This one.
Lekhani, Esha Lekhani.
Esha Lekhani. Esha Lekhani.
Ankaniva, Lekhaniva.
Lekhani. Ankani, yeah. Ankani is pencil, Lekhani is pen. That's all.
Esha Lekhani.
Esha Lekhani. Astu. Okay. These four. Aparna Mahodaya. We said this is the line. So anything left of Ashwa is all near objects. Anything right of Ashwa is all far objects. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now this one, this photo.
Yeah. Saha. What is that? I don't get it.
Take her as a singer.
Singer. Saha Gayika.
Saha Gayika va.
Sa Gayika.
Sa Gayika. Uttam. Sa Gayika. Sa Gayika. This one.
Yes. What is hospital?
Hospital. Anyone wants to tell what is hospital?
Chikitsalaya.
Vaidyashala.
Vaidyashala.
Vaidyashala athva chikitsalaya. If it is chikitsalaya, it will be chikitsalaya. If it is Vaidyashala, it will be Vaidyashala. So accordingly, frame the sentence. Aparna Mahodaya, frame it for both.
Sa Vaidyashala. Saha Chikitsalayah.
Uttamam. Saha chikitsalayah. Sa Vaidyashala. Correct. Very good.
Mahodaya, one question. So,
Srirup Mahodaya va?
Ha, Mahodaya.
Eka nimisha Mahodaya. Let me spotlight you. Uchitam.
For Chikitsalaya, we should say etat, no? Or tat. Etat Chikitsalaya.
Na. Yeshaha chikitsalayah.
Eshaha Chikitsalaya. Okay. So we can use Saha also.
Yes, same thing. If it is nearby, you say Yesha chikitsalayah. If it is far off, then you say Saha chikitsalayah. So, yeah, on that note, I should clarify. Okay, we'll clarify that as we move on. Okay, right now it will be confusing. We'll get the concept of Saha and Yesha very clear. And then I will clarify that. Okay.
One question.
Mahodaya, Uchitam. This is, who is this?
Bharat Mahodaya.
Bharat Mahodaya, switch on your video, Mahodaya, if you can.
Okay, Mahodaya, sorry. Yep.
Uttamam. Uchitam.
How do we identify whether it's a Pullinga or a Strilinga? Any objects?
That's the $1 million question you asked. So, as I explained in the last class, were you able to see the video that of the last class?
I don't remember, Mahodaya.
You were not. I remember you had messaged you would not be able to come to the last class.
I was in the last class. The before last class, I was not there.
Oh, last class you were there. So last class, if you remember, I explained that the way the before last class, yeah, that was the class where I explained how things originate in Sanskritam. That is, how do you what comes as Strilinga and Pullinga and Napunsakalinga. I've given a very detailed explanation on that. So to give you a minute-long explanation, it is like, see, in our culture, everything originates from the Prakriti and the Purusha. Right? So anything related to the Purusha Bhava comes as this as the Pullinga. Anything associated with the Strilinga Bhava comes as the from the Shakti or the Shakti side. It is all coming as the Strilinga Bhava. This I have given a little more detailed explanation in that video. Take a look at that.
Okay.
You can write to me separately. I'll explain that in further detail if you need.
Okay, Mahodaya.
Okay. So the point is that yes, then comes the point of dhatu. Now, how do you derive the word itself? So I skipped those steps in between. There's a lot of derivations that come through. And why does shala, anything ending with the shala is always Strilinga, and why does anything ending with the alaya is necessarily a Pullinga? Okay. Laya is something that flows. So layaha, that's the Purusha Bhava. Whereas you have the Shala, is the Shakti Bhava. So you have that as a Strilinga Bhava. So all these come together. Okay. And one which is only a potential and which is either a product of the two, or which has come from, which is outside of the two, are the Napunsaka Bhava. So that's how they come. I have explained that there. Take a look at that video and then we can discuss in detail.
Mahodaya. Uttam. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
So that's why in Sanskritam it is never a case of, you can just by looking at the object, you can never say this will be a Strilinga or a Pullinga or anything. The way the word is derived. That is very, very important. So for instance, Mitram. Mitram is an Napunsakalinga if you are referring to a friend. Whereas if you say Mitra, it strictly refers to Surya. And similarly, I also gave the example of go. What is go?
Cow.
Cow. Cow can be both Pullinga and Strilinga at the same time. If you are referring to cow as and everything will fall in the same order. If you are referring to cow as Vedas, it's a strict Pullinga. If you are referring to cow as a Dhenu, it is a full Strilinga. If you are referring to cow as a Prithvi, then it is Strilinga. So there are things like these which can happen. So you need to be very careful about the usage of Strilinga and Pullinga in Sanskritam.
Okay. Prithvi is a Strilinga or a Pullinga?
Strilinga, yeah. Bhudevi.
Okay, Mahodaya. Dhanyavad.
Okay. There are rules. Of course, there are heuristics, there are norms, there are rules which we have come up with. As you'll see, somebody pointed out, like if you have a Visarga, most likely it will be a Pullinga, but there are exceptions. Similarly, if it's a Dirgha, usually a Strilinga. So this way you can cover about 90% of Sanskritam. At Sasyam level, at the basic level, you can cover everything by just knowing this much. But I want to introduce this concept just to make sure that, these are not hard set. These are not cast in stone. That's all. All right. Astu. Agre Gamishyamah. Aparna Mahodaya vadishyati va? Chikitsalaya, you got that. Then, this one.
Etat mandiram.
Etat mandiram. Uttamam. Uttamam. If I were to use another, what is the what other word can we use for mandiram?
Devalayah.
Devalayah.
Saha devalayah.
Saha devalayah. Uttamam. If it is nearby,
Eshaha devalayah.
Yeshaha devalayah. Astu. What is beside devalaya here?
I don't know what it is.
This one. There's a this one something written on this.
Vidyalayah.
Vidyalayah.
It reads, yes. What is Vidyalaya?
Saha vidyalayah.
Saha
If it is nearby,
Vidyalaya.
Eshaha vidyalayah.
Yesha Vidyalaya.
This
And
patashala. Sa patashala.
Ta Patashala. Uttamam. Okay. What is this?
It's a brush, is it?
Oh, it's a brush. Okay. What is a brush?
What is the word for brush? Samskrita word for brush.
What is the word for brush? What is the Sanskrit word for brush? Anybody who knows that?
Chitralekani.
Drawing.
Anybody? Last time I gave a link also, no? How to find the meaning for words.
Out. Chitra Lekani is also good if it is a painting brush.
No. Nilima Mahodaya Janati. Astu. Nilima Mahodaya Uchitam.
Tulika.
Kua?
Tulika.
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 What did you say again?
Tulika. Tulika. The brush.
Na Shweta. Samyak na Shweta Mahodaya.
Kurchaha.
Kurchaha. Kurchaha. Tulika na.
Kurchaha.
Kurchaha. Nilima Mahodaya, I think you got it. I think you would have got it right. If you can type out what it is, then probably I will be able to confirm what you said. Na Shweta. Samyak na Shweta. Kurchaha. Sa kurchaha va. Sa kurchaha va. Tat kurchaha va.
Sa.
Sava.
Kurcha is the word, but kurchaha is the word, is it?
Saha kurchaha.
Saha kurchaha. Astu. Uttamam. Idanim Raj api Rake Mahadayav. And Nilima Mahadayav.
Which word? Which is?
One minute. Let me make you. Shri Rup Mahadev Bhavan api Bhavatu. Then Sri Rup and one more person, whom did I say? Nilima Mahoday. Nilima Mahoday kutra gati? Drishya. Agatavati. Gila? Astu.
So,
Uchida.
which one? I can't see.
We will see this. What is this?
Etani pushpani. Pushpaha.
Etani pushpani.
Etani pushpani.
Pushpani. Uttamam. Etani pushpani. This one.
Saha vrikshaha. Saha vrikshaha.
Saha vrikshaha. Saha vrikshaha.
Or can we tell etat vriksham?
No.
No.
Vrikshaha is strictly Pullinga.
And this is far away.
Don't we have a word like vriksham?
Vriksham is, yes, we do have a word called vriksham, but that is not, that is because of a different, in the usage of, that's in a usage in a sentence. We'll learn that in a little while. When we construct sentences, you'll understand the difference between vrikshaha and vriksham.
Okay.
There is vriksham. I will not deny that the existence of vriksham. But if you say vrikshaha asti, you have to say yeshaha or saha vrikshaha asti.
Is it etani or tani? Because it is far, should it be tani?
Yes, tani. Yeah, we said everything. Yeah, you're right. Everything right of Ashwa, we said the far off. You're right.
Okay.
So ye tani, tani pushpani. You're right. Madhya, correct. It should be tani pushpani. Shamita. Nilima Madhya, it should be tani pushpani. Ye tani pushpani master.
Right, noted.
Okay, noted. Good. Next. Rakhi Mahodaya.
Pustakalaya.
Pustakalaya.
Saha Pustakalaya.
Saha Pustakalaya. Asto.
Granthashala.
Sa
Granthashala.
You can say Granthashala.
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 Granthashala. Granthashala.
Granthalaya.
Granthalaya or Granthashala.
Okay.
So Granthashala, Sa Granthashala.
Also. Okay. How will you say, how will you refer to only the books?
Pustagani.
Pustakani. Okay.
Tani
And
pustakani.
Tani
Ashwa
pustakani.
line. So,
Tani
pustakani. Right. And Saha, Sa, what will it be for Pustakalaya and Granthalaya?
Pustakalaya. Pustakalaya. Esha Pustakalaya.
Saha, Sa.
Okay.
We said everything to the right of Ashwa is
Saha.
far off.
Is far.
Yeah,
So,
Saha Pustakalaya. And Sa.
Saha Pustakalaya.
Sa Granthalaya. Granthashala, sorry. Granthashala.
Granthashala.
Only if you're saying Granthashala.
Okay.
Yeah, Sa Granthashala.
Only then it will be Sa Granthashala. Okay. Okay. Then Raj Mahodaya, what is this?
What is the word for fan?
We did this last time.
Vyajanam, right? Etat. Nearby, right? Etat Vyajanam.
Ekam Vyajanam eva asti va?
Okay, so there are many. So Tani Vyajanani.
Etani.
Etani Vyajanani, right? It's nearby. So
Etani. Kimartam etani?
these.
Okay.
These.
Nearby. As in
nearby.
Everything left of this Ashwa line is nearby, no?
Yeah. Edani Vyajanani.
Etani. Vyajanani is okay. Just to make sure it is different from a mechanical fan, you say Etani Vidyut Vyajanani.
Okay. Vidyut Vyajanani.
You add the word Vidyut before the Vyajanam. Okay. It becomes Vidyut Vyajanam. Electric fan.
Electric fan, okay. Vidyut Vyajanani.
Okay. This one.
Gajaha. So Ete. So sorry, it is Pullinga, right? So Saha, Eshaha. Ete, Gajaha, Gajaha.
Gajaha. Yete Gajaha. Yete Gajaha.
Yete Gajaha.
This one.
Eshaha Deepaha.
Yeshaha Deepaha.
Yeah.
Uttamam. Srirup Mahodaya. What is this?
Is that pyramid?
Take it as a picture. For now, just take it. Don't get into pyramids and shapes.
Okay. Sure. Saha Chitram.
Saha Chitram va?
Saha Chitraha.
No, Chitram is right. So correct your pronoun.
Tat Chitram.
Tat Chitram. Uttam. Tat Chitram. If it were many pictures.
Tani Chitrani.
Tani Chitrani. Uttamam. What is this?
Vrikshaha.
Vrikshaha.
Saha Vrikshaha. Tani Vrikshani.
Saha Vrikshaha. Then how will it be Tani Vrikshani?
Etani Vrikshani.
Vrikshaha. What is the plural for Vriksha? Bahuvachanam kim?
Te Vrikshaha.
Te Vrikshaha. Uttamam. Preeti Mahodaya bhavati agabhyata idani. Video on karishyati va? Uttamam. Astu. Kutra asti bhavati spotlight. Astu. Nilima Mahodaya kimapi na uktavati. Astu. Raj Mahodaya, I am taking you off the spotlight. Astu.
Mahadaya, what is it for
Te Vrikshaha.
Te.
Can't we tell it as a Vanam?
Yes, yes. Okay, very good point. Who said Vanam?
Aparna.
Aparna Mahodaya Uttamam. Astu. Vanam bhavishyati chet kim bhavishyati?
Tatvanam.
Etatvanam.
Tatvanam.
Tatvanam.
We'll take it as far off.
Okay. Tatvanam.
Tatvanam. Uttamam. Uttamam. If you take it as vanam, then it is tatvanam. If you take it as vrikshaha,
Saha vrikshaha, te vrikshaha.
te vrikshaha. And just a minute, I think I'm having some issue with my internet here. Give me a minute. Everybody is able to hear me now? Clear?
Mahodaya.
Uttam. I had some problem with my internet. So I'll just go back to my screen sharing again. Now who wants to do this? What is this?
Darvi.
Darvi is correct, I agree. But unfortunately, I have many Darvis here.
Darvyaha.
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 Who said that?
Taha darvyaha.
Shri Mahodaya.
Sa Darvyaha.
Sa Darvyaha va?
Taha. Taha Darvyaha.
Taha Darvyaha. Taha.
Taha Darvyaha.
Aha. Taha Darvyaha. It will be no akaranta eva darvyaha. How to write darvyaha? Let me show you how to write darvyaha.
Mahodaya, is it a small da or a bigger da?
I'll just show you.
The.
Screen is visible? Okay. Darvi Darvyaha. Okay. Now is there a we said Lekhani. Similarly, what will be Lekhani?
Lekhanyaha.
Lekhanyaha. Very good. Then what will be for, let us say, Ankani?
Ankanyaha.
Ankanyaha.
So now you people get the hang of it. Whenever it ends with a E, the plural will be ending with a Yaha. Okay? Yaha. Nyaha. Then you will have, what else can I have?
Nadi.
Nadi. Okay. We'll come to Nadi. Kupi. What will it be for Kupi?
Kupyaha.
Kupyaha. What is Kupi? You don't know what it is?
Bottle, right?
Bottle.
Well,
Bottle. This is a kopi from which you can store water or whatever you want to store. Okay. Nadi. What is for nadi?
Nadyaha.
Nadyaha. Uttam. Okay. So similarly, I can go on like this. And how will you say near and far with all this?
Tat and etat.
How will you say? What will it be for, say, kupi?
Esha kupi.
Esha kupi.
Sa kupyah.
Sa kupyah va?
Saha kupyah.
Sa. Taha
Etaha. Etaha.
Etaha kupyah.
Etaha kupyah.
Kupyah.
Etaha kupyah.
And if it has to be a far off kupi, if it is somewhere like there?
Sa kupyah. Sa kupi.
Sa kupi.
Taha kupyah.
Saha kupyah.
Taha kupyah. Uttamam.
These all are Striling, Mahodaya. These all are Striling, right? Lekhani, Darvi, Kupi, Nadi, Strilinga.
Yeah.
These are Strilinga. These are Strilinga, basically. What is happening to the internet here?
Karthik Mahodaya asti va?
I think his internet is stable. I mean, unstable. He's just dropped off. His screen is frozen.
Sorry about that. I think I had to just change my internet connectivity to a different this one. So now I hope I'm audible to everyone. Okay. Okay. So kupi kupyah, nadi nadyah, lekhanyah, ankani ankanyah. And whenever we refer to this, it will still be esha kupi. Yetaha kupyah. Yesha ankani. Yetaha ankanyah. Yesha nadi. Yetaha nadyah. Sa nadi. Taha nadyah. Sa lekhani. Taha lekhanyah. Clear? Any doubts? Okay. Mangala Mahodaya. Bhavati. Mangala Mahodaya, Sangeeta Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, I think I missed your class, so that's wherein I'm stuck with that Ekavachana, Bahuvachana, which I missed the class. I was traveling. I can only recognize near and far, so probably I will stumble upon with the things.
That's okay. Whatever it is, try to get them. Try to get whatever you can. No problem. Sangeeta Mahodaya. Can you turn your video on? Preeti Mahodaya, Sangeeta Mahodaya, Nilima Mahodaya. Okay. Okay. Now let me go back to my screen sharing thing. Where should we? What is this?
Patram.
Tali.
Tali. Or you can just say patram. Patram.
Tat patram.
Patram. Tat patram. Correct. This one.
Kandukah. Sah kandukah.
Sah kandukah. There are many kandukas.
Many than te kandukaha.
Te kandukaha. Uttamam. Mangala Mahodaya, what is this?
Rukshaha. Right?
Rukshaha.
And if it is far, probably Ruksha, I think it is Napumsaka. I don't know.
Rukshaha. So just look at that. Rukshaha.
Okay.
So whenever it is Rukshaha, the usual norm is
Pullinga.
Okay.
Use Pullinga.
Then I have to read it. Eshaha, Rukshaha.
Saha.
Yeah. I mean, far is Saha, near is Eshaha, right? Mahodaya, you're able to hear me? Far is Saha, right?
Yeah,
Saha.
Yeah, we lost him again.
Yeah, if it is near, it is Eshaha, Rukshaha.
Eshaha vrikshaha. Yes.
Okay. In case I would like to ask you people if it is many, because that's wherein I skip my class, so I'm struggling with that. If it is
So
many,
if it's many, then yeah. If it is near and many, right? Then ete vrikshani, right? I think.
Ete vrikshaha.
Ete vrikshaha, sorry. Ete vrikshaha, and if it is dur, then te vrikshaha.
Te vrikshaha.
Okay, if it is far and many?
Te vrikshaha.
Far and many, it is Vrikshaha.
Te vrikshaha.
Sorry, I didn't get that. The voice break.
If it is many and far, te vrikshaha.
Te vrikshaha.
Vrikshaha, te vrikshaha.
And it is near, it is ete rukshaha, right?
Correct.
Astu. Thank you.
Okay. Now, okay, we'll go to the next screen. What is this? Nilima Mahodaya, what is this?
It's Churika, right? Churika. Churika.
Esha Churi.
Esha Churika.
Churika. Okay, for this we will have everything on this side, on the left side of this middle line as yesh, nearby, and everything on this side as far off. Okay. Yete, yesh, what will this be?
Esha Churika.
Yesha
Churika.
Churika, and this one?
Etah Churika. Etah Churika plural.
Churika, ha.
Churika. Etah
Correct. Priti
Churika.
Mahoday, Uttavati. Churika, ha. Similarly, what is this? Nilima Mahoday Uchita.
Esha Mala.
Yesha Mala.
Etaha Malaha.
Yetaha Malaha. Uttamam. Mangala Mahoday.
Key, I don't know what you call key.
Kunjika.
Kunchika. Okay.
Kunchika.
Kunchika.
What will it be?
Kunchika. Is it Kunchika? It is female, is it? Or
Key is a Kunchika.
Okay, I mean that it belongs to the female. I mean
Strilinga.
Strilinga. Yeah.
Yes.
So then, if it is near, it would be Esha. Eshaha.
Will it be Esha or will it be Esha?
Esha. Sorry, Esha. Esha Kunchika.
Esha Kunchika.
Okay, Esha Kunchika.
What is this?
Many. I really don't know the word. Is it? I have missed the class actually, so that's very nice.
Etaha
Etaha
kunchikaha.
Kunchikaha.
Okay.
Etaha Kunchikaha.
Etaha Kunchikaha. Okay.
Astu. Dhanyavadaha. So now who has not yet had any, who else is not? Naresh Mahodaya and Sangeeta Mahodaya. Astu. Agamyata.
Namaste, Mahoday. Can you hear me?
Mahodaya. Can you, is it possible for you to switch on your video?
Yeah.
Uttamam. Sangeeta Mahodaya api agamyatam. Then who else is there? Shankara Mahodaya. Rishan Shankara Mahodaya. भवानपि अद्य किमपि न कृतवान् किल आगमिष्यति वा Okay, he is not there, I think. Astu. Chinta nasti. Okay, Naresh Mahodaya, Sangeeta Mahodaya. Okay, we'll
Sir,
start.
did you
with the-
ask for me or you asked for Shankar?
Chinta nasti, Mahodaya. You can answer this. Shankara Mahodaya, you can also answer. So try to get this. Okay, what is this?
Tantuvadyam.
Tantuvadyam athva
Veena.
Veena.
Veena. Sarvanama padam.
Esha Veena.
Yesha Veena.
Etah Veenah.
Yetaha Veenaha. Uttamam. Naresh Mahodaya.
सः वार्तापत्रिका
If it is Varta Patrika, what will it be? Sahava.
Varta Patrika.
Sa Varta Patrika.
Sa Varta Patrika.
What about this?
Anyaha Sorry, I didn't attend that class.
ताः
Taha Varta Patrikaha.
Tava Varta Patrika.
Taha. So just remember this way. Saha te. Sa taha.
Sa taha Varta Patrikaha.
Plural of Patrika is Patrikaha.
Patrikaha.
Taha Varta Patrikaha.
Astu Mother.
Astu. This is
Lekan.
What is this?
Sa Lekan.
लेखनी
Lekhani.
Lekani. Sa Lekani. Tha Lekanaha.
Lekhanyaha.
Lekanyaha.
Lekhanyaha.
Lekanyaha. Sa ta Lekanya.
Sangeeta Mahoday, Vaktumichchati va?
कर्तरी
Kartari.
सा कर्तरी ताः कर्तर्यः कर्तर्यः
Taha Kartaryah. Uttam. Okay. Okay. This is one slide. I think we did quite a bit of this. Okay. Wait a minute. Then let me go to a different slide. Okay, we'll do this for today, and it's about, we have another 10 minutes. Okay, we shall do this one now. We'll go to, okay. Okay. Now, whatever this person is pointing to will all be nearby. Whatever this person is pointing to will all be far off. Clear?
Mahoday,
Screen is not
screen is
visible.
not visible,
Okay.
sir.
Share screen.
Naresh Mahodaya.
Astu Mother.
Mahoday Nasti.
No, Agatwan.
Mahoday Nasti.
Mahodaya Nasti. Uduttamam.
Mahodaya Nasti.
Mahodaya Nasti. Idabnim Asmi. Agatwan. Astu. Whatever this person points to will be nearby. Whatever this person points to will be far off. Bhaktumichadiva. What is this?
Yeshaha Gruha.
Yeshaha Graha va? Gruham.
Yeshaha
It's
Gruham.
a Punjakalinga. Gruham is the Punjakalinga.
एतत् गृहम्
एतत् गृहम्
एतत् गृहम् एतत् mitra.
Is there only one mitra?
Friends. So mitra.
Mitram plural.
Etani mitrani.
Etani mitrani.
Etani mitrani.
Etani mitrani.
Etani mitrani. I think I went a little far off. Oh, okay. There were already some things here. Okay. This one.
Yesha
pushpam va.
Pushpava.
I said everything that this person is pointing to is far off.
Saha pushpa. Sa pushpa.
Tat push.
Tat pushpam.
Tat pushpam.
Tat pushpam. Kimartam tat?
Par. It's
Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga. Correct. If you are referring to anything in Napumsakalinga, it should be either yetat or tat or yetat, tat or yetani or tani. If it is singular, nearby, it will be yetat. If it is singular, far off, it will be tat. Singular, as in nearby, plural, yetani. Far off, plural, tani. Clear, Mahodaya? Naresh Mahodaya?
Astu Mahodaya.
Now try this. What is this?
Etat chashakaha.
Chashakaha va?
Upanetram.
Upanetram.
Upanetram. What is Upanetram? How do you get Upanetram?
Secondary eyes.
Yeah. Near. So Upa is near.
Upa
always means near. In Sanskritam, Upa always means near.
Like Upanishad.
Upanishad, correct. Upanishad. So if you are sitting near to something, it's Upanishad. What is that near to? We will figure that out later. Correct. So Upa, something near to your netram, eyes. That becomes Upanetram. Very simple. As simple as that. Upavishatu. Upanishad. Right. As Vikram Mahodaya just said, Upanishad. That is a very beautiful derivation also. It said Upanishad. So it's basically the Dishad is the key word there. Sit. Sit close to someone and something. And that gives you Brahma Vidya. Who is that someone?
Guru.
It is the Guru. That is what Upanishad means. So most of the Upanishads you will find that it's a Vartalapa or it's a Samvada between a Guru and a Shishya.
In the form of question and answer in Prashnopanishad.
In Prashnopanishad, it is 16 questions or 6 questions. Sorry, 6 questions by 6 different people.
Guru Pipilada and 6 of his students.
Yes, 6 people. 6 people are 6 different questions or 6 topics.
Upanyas means what?
Correct.
Nyasam.
Upanyasaha. Upanyasaha. Uttamam. That's another word. Nyasaha. What does nyasaha mean?
Contemplation.
Contemplation, correct. Somebody who is contemplating and narrating something. That is upanyasaha.
Upadhyayaha.
Upadhyayaha. Adhyayaha. Upadhyayaha. Upadhyayaha. All these are derived that way.
Upanayanam.
Huh?
Upanayana.
Upanayanam. Uttamam. Upanayanam. What is nayanam?
Netram. Netram.
No, Upanetram. No. She said Upanayanam. Upanayana. Upanayana is the process that we do, no?
Yes, yes.
Upanayanam. She's right. So make someone see something from very closely. What is that?
Beautiful meaning.
You make someone see something very closely. What is that something?
Gayatri mantra.
Brahma.
Jnana.
Brahman.
Jnana.
Jnana. That is how the jnana comes. Upanayanam. So most words in Sanskritam are very, very easy to derive this way. You need to know a little bit of rules here and there.
Mahodaya, I thought upa also means on top of.
Nah, upa is not on top of.
Okay.
Oh, upa is not on top of. How do you get that? Can you give an example, Rajini Mahodaya?
This upanetram, when you said, I thought on top of your eyes, it sits on something.
No,
That's how
no,
I
it
thought.
is near. It is near. It is not top.
Okay. Like something like on the eyes. So
No.
upanayanam on the body. So on something.
Upari.
On is adhi. Usually you use adhi or you usually use upari.
Okay.
Adhivasati. Parvatam adhivasati. Parvati parvatam adhivasati.
Urdhvam. Urdhvam is top, right?
Urdhva is go up.
Up.
Urdhva is up. She said on top.
Okay.
Something you're already on top.
Urdhvam is going towards the top, isn't it? No, or it is top.
Urdhva is up, just up, nothing more.
Urdhva Mukha Shvanasana.
Urdhva Mukha Shvana. Up. Any other questions? Okay. Samaya atitaha idanim. Samayaha atitaha. Time is up. Is over. Okay. So what I will do, I'll stop the, I'll do the Mangala and then I'll stop the recording and things. If you have questions, we can continue for a little while. Okay? For about 5-10 minutes. And those who are in a hurry can drop off. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahishaha om brahmanebhyo shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavanto kale varshatu parjanyah prithvi sasyashalini deshoyam shobharahitah brahmana santu nirbhayaah aputra putrinas santu pautrinah Adanat sadanat saddu jivantu sharadam shatam. Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, kaschit dukkha bhat bhavet. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Krishnaarpanamastu. Dhanyavadaha. If anybody is in a hurry, can drop off. Anybody has questions, can stay back and ask.
Shubhratri Mohoday.
3-4 minutes we can spend.
धन्यवादाः महोदय.
धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादाः महोदय.
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः
महोदय.
महोदय.
Uchita Mahoday.
Would you be able to share these presentations on the classroom?
I send it every week immediately after the classroom. Are you not getting them? They're also available in Google Classroom.
Oh, I'll check the Google Classroom. That's what I wanted to know. So I'll just go try and check for the presentation slides.
All slides are available on the Google Classroom. If they are not, I also share them in an email immediately after this class actually.
Get in the mail.
Yeah.
I didn't get the mail like I had said.
Whoever has not got the mail, please ping me. Let us see if there is any problem with the Google this one. Okay. Mangala Mahoday, what you have you had some issue. Tell me.
Yes. Since I did not attend the class of Ekavachana and Bahuvachana Mahodaya, I would like you to just take us to a glance. Like I know that Pullingaha, near it is Eshaha, far is Saha. Like female, it is near Eshaha, Esha, and far is Saha. Napumsaka, it is Etat, and far is Tat. This I know. But when it comes to
yes, Yetat and Tat, correct, you're right.
Tat, yeah. But when it comes to Ekavachana, Bahuvachana, the three comparison, I missed this class. So can you just tell me? I just write it down. Like example, Pullingaha, when it is many and it is near. What is the word they use?
Yete.
Yete. Okay, yete. And if it is far, Pullingaha, what is this called for many?
Te.
Te. Only te. Okay. When it is Strilinga,
the A part will go away. In all three, the A part will go away when you take off the far off. That's all.
Okay. So in a Strilinga, nearer, which is many.
Nearer many will be yetaha.
Yetaha. Okay. And if it is far for Strilinga, many?
Taha.
Taha. Okay. And when it comes to Napumsaka Linga, near, many?
Yetani.
Okay. Yetani. Okay. And if it is near, far, and many for Napumsaka Linga?
Tani.
Tani. Okay. Yeah.
It is there in the presentation. I will show you the presentation where it is also.
Yeah.
Let me show you the. See, it is here.
Okay.
See. Napunsakalinga sabipe. Yetat yetani. Tattani.
Okay.
Strilinga. Yesha yetaha sataha. Okay. Similarly, yesha yete sahate. Okay.
Dhanyavada Mahoday. Yeah, that's where like we miss the class and we will not get the opportunity to look back. That's where we get stuck.
Yes.
And
this is exactly what.
And we are not able to participate into Abhyasa Varga 6:30, have something else, and.
No, this is exactly what Jaykumar Mahodaya want on the first day. You miss a class and then it is like, I'll watch it tomorrow. And that tomorrow goes to, the Wednesday of next week. and that Wednesday of next week turns to Thursday. Maybe I'll watch it in the just before the class, and then it goes to roll over one class, and then that keeps on repeating, and then it's like, okay, time to go off. So it's sort of, it becomes a little important to attend certain of these classes, because we'll be covering certain sections that will become critical. Like for instance, in the next few classes, I'll be introducing basics of even verbs, for instance. How to talk about, how to come about. You know, there are a lot of people like Jyotsna Mahodaya and Aparna Mahodaya and Ashwini Mahodaya for speaking in Sanskritam. Now, there is a way they are doing this. There is a technique to what they are doing. Right? So, and there's a lot of things that they have already grasped. So, it's very important to use their time and their expertise to learn. So, try to make it as much as possible to the class. It will be very nice, because that way going back and saying something or spending time may not be required at all.
Yeah, like when we are traveling, that would be, like we can't
Correct,
take.
correct. I understand. I'm not saying, I'm not disputing your concerns and things. Because right now also I have about 3 people or 4 people, not 4, I think 8 people who have just messaged and said they're having kids and they're traveling on vacation or things like that. So, yeah,
So I'm in
that's that.
outskirts right now in Hyderabad. I'm not in Bangalore, but still the good part is I'm getting the connectivity here.
Fair
I've
enough,
been here.
fair
Then
enough.
no, yeah.
No, this one. So don't, no problems at all. Please go ahead. Yes, there are things that are important, I understand. So we'll be there. Astu.
Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.